So what you're going to need is something like a bowl or a container, something to mix with. I'm using a spoon, white glue, blue paint, dye, and green dye. So here I'm pouring some white school glue in my bowl. Now I'm going to add some foam soap and a bit of water. Then I add some blue paint. I mixed it in off camera. Okay, now I'm adding some activator, which is just 1 cup of warm water and a teaspoon of borax. Okay, so I added a bit more blue paint because I felt that the color was too light. Using the same slime recipe made a light green slime. Now I added crushed up green crayons to represent mint. So that's it. That's how you make blueberry mint, our best seller. Honestly, it's pretty basic, but you guys seem to like it, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And here's a shout out too, at Renna School. So yeah.
Bye.